Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video guys we are going to be talking about the latest airdrop that I just found right now. So it is actually a Telegram one. We participate on it using Telegram, so a lot of people might have heard about this coin. So right now I want to introduce the coin to the people that doesn't know anything about it, because I believe that there are a lot of people out there who doesn't know about it yet. And the coin that we are talking about right here is very promising, and they have already run an airdrop, so they are going to do another one. So if you're watching the video right now, make sure you stay tuned and stay sharp. Do not skip any part of this video, because on this video guys you are going to be learning a lot. All right, so what you need to do right now to get started is simply make sure that that you have a working smartphone, and also that you have a Telegram channel, or that you have a Telegram account, and also you have a good internet connection. That's all you need to participate on this. It is 100% free. It doesn't require anything before you join the airdrop. So before we go ahead and start and learn how we can be able to participate on the airdrop, I want to quickly introduce our new viewers into our BNB campaign that we run on our channel. So over here on this channel, we give our viewers chance of earning free BNB by just watching our videos. So if you want to join the free BNB campaign, what you need to do for you to qualify for it is to simply make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button down below the video you're watching right now, and also you go ahead and click on this bell icon and select all, so that immediately we post any new video, YouTube will send you a notification immediately that we have posted a new video. So after that, you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up like this. Then you go ahead and share this video. Make sure you share this video to any social media platform if you choose, or to your family, friend, or anybody who want to who is interested in crypto stuff. All right, so finally you go ahead and put an interesting comment right here on the comment section, because this is where we pick our winners. All right, so once you are done with that, congratulations, and I wish you good luck when we will be picking our winners. So right now, let's now go back and continue on how we can be able to participate on this new airdrop that I want you all to participate on. So if you haven't done this airdrop already, make sure that you give it a try right now. So what you need to do to get started is to simply use the link on the video description down below to get into the project that I'm talking about. So right now guys, the project I'm talking about is actually the Notcoin. All right, so Notcoin right here, you can see I have already dropped the update on our Telegram channel. So if you haven't done it, if you are not yet on our Telegram channel, you are missing out big time. Also over here on the Telegram channel, this is where we announce our winners for the free BNB that I talked about earlier, and also I give you guys a lot of opportunities right here to earn. All right, so if you are not yet right here on our Telegram channel, you are wrong, and you are probably missing out. So the first thing, we have already talked about this, I guess. So the first thing you need to do right now is simply click over here. The link on the video on the description below is going to direct you. All right, so you click over here on this Notcoin bot. So I have to click on it. So once you just click on it, this will open up immediately. It's going to be opening your bot. So when you look over here, you can see that this bot is verified. All right, so which means that what we are doing right here is legit. All right, so it's legit, although it might not be 100%, but it is legit. So the next thing is simply go ahead and click on start. So once you click on start, it's going to be opening up. You can see here Crypto Smog. I have 100,000 Notcoin gifts, so this is really legit. So available activation is this, and what I need to do is simply join Notcoin right here and receive Notcoin. So first thing, I need to join Notcoin community. Very important. So once I just join it, I would need to just I will join by just clicking this right now, and I need to go back like this, and I'll click on receive 100,000 Notcoin, and you can see your gifts. You have activated a gift already, or it's expired. So who knows, you can find, or you can send a gift, blah blah blah. But the interesting thing right here is simply how you can be able to earn this coin for free. All right, so what you need to do right now is simply you can see all new users who receive a gift becomes your friend, so you can get an invitation bonus. So it's really easy as that. So also this is your link that you can use to invite people into this project. All right, so to participate on this, you need to click on play Notcoin. All right, so if you want to send a gift, you click on send gift. You select anybody you want to send a gift to. So but we are not interested in that. Our motive right here is how we can be able to earn this coin for free. All right, so what you need to do right now is simply click on play notes. So this way, you can see this will launch a web app. You will connect you will connect to its website. So I will have to click on start. So this is going to be opening up a website like page for you where you need to play. So to play this, it is very easy. All right, so what you need to do is simply, once you tap on it, you can see the count right there. So you just have to just keep tapping on this. You just have to keep tapping on it. You can see how everything lights up. So you just need to just keep tapping on it until you can see this number right here. Once you stop tapping, this number is going to go up. So what you need to do is simply make sure you keep tapping on it. So the more you tap on it, the more Notcoin that you get to earn. All right, so we just have to keep on tapping on this tapping keep tapping on it until we have reached 1000 tap, and we are good to go until we are going to rest until the next count begins. So I just have to keep tapping on it. You can use your two fingers depending on how well or how good your fingers are or your phone is. So you can even use up to 3 fingers for it. Just have to keep tapping on it, keep tapping back to back, just keep tapping on it. Okay, it's really easier that you can also use even two finger to make it even faster. You just have to just keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. All right, so right now I'm gonna fast forward the video when I'm done tapping on it. Okay. All right, and you can see I'm almost done right now. You can see over here I'm almost done with the tapping, so I can literally call this tap to end. All right, so you can see how it is done right now, and boom, I just completed this cycle. So I need to wait until this loads up so that I can just come back right here and get to tap on it again. So the next thing you need to do is simply click on join squad. Okay, so it's going to be taking you to a certain squad that you need to join. That's a kind of your own community. So right now I just need to, let me select the first one, which is the meme. I just need to click on join squad, and I have just joined right now. I have clicked on join like this, then boom, I just joined the squad. So right now I need to go back. So right now that I'm back right now, what you need to do is simply go ahead and keep earning from this. And also when you click on boost, this will show you some ways that you can join, you can get to join, or you can just get to boost your earning in this platform. So you can dive and do your own research concerning that, but I just quickly want to use this simple opportunity to show you guys this opportunity that is lying in front of you. So it's very easy. All you need to do is simply just keep on tapping until you have reached a certain level. So right now you can see I'm now earning 5%. You can see right now it is counting in 5. Okay, so right now you can see where I just go to right now. It's very easy as that. So what you need to do is simply keep on earning, and that is all you need to do. Also make sure that you are inviting your friends into this project so that you will be among the lucky winners of everything coming up right here. Okay, so what you need to do right now is simply keep on earning, and make sure you are following up on this page, because I'm going to be dropping more updates concerning this platform, these projects on our Telegram channel. So make sure you are right there, continue earning, and I'll see you guys very soon on more updates concerning this platform. Peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day.